4 fun facts about northern water snakes. Northern water snakes are non-venomous and harmless, but are sometimes mistaken for cottonmouths and copperheads, which are venomous. Northern water snakes are some of the most common water snakes in the United States and could grow up to 4.5 feet in length. The northern water snake feeds heavily on fish and amphibians, swallowing its prey alive. These snakes have been known to eat a number of fish species such as brook trout, sunfish, smallmouth bass, minnows, and have been also recorded eating northern cricket frogs, toads, southern leopard frogs, bullfrog tadpoles, and spring peepers. The northern water snake can live up to 9 years in captivity, but their lifespan is unknown in the wild. Bonus fact! When threatened, the northern water snake will flatten its head into a triangular shape to appear more menacing, like a venomous snake. Hi, we're the New Jersey Nature Boys. I'm Derek. And I'm Dylan. Thanks for watching our videos. Hit the subscribe button so you never miss our adventures. Thanks. Have a nice day.